Try these ideas for more successful stock market returns. The stock market is a place where you can win or lose more money than you ever dreamed of. You have to be prepared, in order to invest and make sure you win more than you lose. How do you do that? You need the best information available, and here are some strong tips to make your investments worthwhile. Do not look at investing in the stock market as a hobby. It is something that has a lot of risk involved, and it should be taken very seriously. If you do not have enough time, effort and patience to take it seriously, then you should not get yourself involved with it. When you invest money in the stock market, you should be focusing on swatching your investments around. It's better to spread things out than it is to put all of your hopes into one stock. As an example, if you choose to invest your entire budget in one company and that company goes under, you will have sacrificed everything. If you own stock in an individual company, make it your business to know what is going on with your investment. Read the financial statements routinely, identify the strengths of the competition, and exercise your options to vote, when they occur. Know who is on the board of directors and don't be afraid to ask them questions. Act like the owner that you are and monitor the health of your investment on a regular basis. Base your portfolio on a steady foundation of strong, solid stocks when investing for the long term. Active trading can prove profitable in the short term, but it requires a great deal of time and dedication. If you cannot pay constant attention to the market, purchase reputable, consistent stocks and hold on to them. If you have good information and do your research, you can do very well in the stock market. You have to prepare yourself, and you have to commit to knowing your portfolio, inside and out. Apply the tips in this video, and you will be able to trade confidently and well. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.